How we doing? How's it going? I hope you're blessed. It's me again. We're back again. I hope you was looking forward to this. You're gonna enjoy this one. This one, I'm going through character design, and I'm going to before I do that, that's gonna be towards the end. So that's gonna be like a nice little reward for you before I get through this little section I want to get through. It was a quick time lapse. It's just to show you that, you know, all the artists, all the cool stuff that you see, before they're that cool, it's rough, it's ugly, it's not clean lines, it's scribbly, and there's nothing wrong with that. That's what I'm trying to explain to you. So there's nothing wrong with that. People always put their best foot forward, and that's what they show, and that's what they present. So they're not gonna show you, like, people don't show their flaws, like, especially with social media. We don't, you know what I'm saying? Like, a person's not gonna come to you and say to you like, Ras, I'm behind on my bills, and Ras, I ain't really pay rent for like 6 months. You know what I'm saying? But they'll show you the holiday pictures. They'll show you, you know what I'm saying? Teach the own, man. I don't really care, man. I don't really judge. You get me? I'm too involved in my own life. I'm content. So whatever floats your boats, floats your boats. It's nothing. It doesn't change you as an individual, as a person, in relation to what you like. You know, some people like materialistic stuff. There's nothing wrong with that, as long as you know your soul is operating in the essence, and you're a good person, or you're trying to be a good person. What are we gonna do? You know, we're humans and no one's perfect. All right, boom. I digress. Let's go to the, or is it this way? Whatever way. Let's go to the time lapse, and I'm gonna show you just a nice little so and so. You know. So yeah, so here I'm um just scribbling away and trying to get a feel for a new character to design, but I'm not really forcing it. I'm not forcing it. This is more just to draw. So sometimes you just want to draw. Not always it's just like, oh, you have to do this, you have to do that. You know, sometimes you just want to just draw, and it's just a good exercise. And yeah, so if you look on here, I'm just doing some roughs. I'm simplifying shapes for the anatomy. Um, and you know, if you look on here, I have my weaknesses. Like drawing females is kind of my weakness. Not kind of, but is, which is okay because I can identify, and then I can be like, okay, I identify that and I know what I need to improve on, you know, and be okay with being like realistic and truthful to yourself, because don't hinder yourself. Like, don't let pride or arrogance or ego get in the way of your, because you can be so much better. You know what I'm saying? Like, some people, they can't do a lot of stuff and they say, you know, that's my style. If you had a look at that, this is now I'm doing, as I promised, character design. Just getting a feel for the character. You know, there's an easier way to do this, but I've drew the character, and I'm keeping it in line with the original front view character. So the head's the same line, as in like the same height, the feet are the same height, the hands are the same height, etc. Um, I went for a younger character look, gave him some, you know, plaits, cane rolls, whatever you want to call it. Again, that's another little weakness if you can spot that. But again, it's like I made it work though. I made it work. It still looks clean. And then I'm doing some expression sheets. It's very important that, you know, you familiarize yourself with your character, especially if you want to animate. Even if you don't want to animate, let's say you want to do like comics, or you want to do like a cartoon book or children's book, whatever, or image books you wanna, familiarize because you wanna be storytelling. And if you look on there, give it some color, bam, 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 boom, 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 done. So there you have it, people. I try to give as much game as I can. Because I remember myself when I was first starting, it was just all a lot to take in, and there is hope. So even for myself, like I said, I'm not where I want to be, but you stay at it, you stay persistent, and I'm like, yo, I came far compared to where I was, and it's a good look, and that's gonna be the same process for yourself as well. Like, regardless of what you choose to do in life, you're gonna become good at it as you continue doing it, as you persist in it, whether it's in the positive or the negative, you know? We're not here to, talk about life choices or whatever, but it is what it is. I just want, because I'm always saying to you guys, get your mileage in. I want to show you as well, like, yo, I'm getting my mileage in, and I recorded this video, so please just show love. I'm gonna give more game. If you need more help or whatever, just drop me a message. Wherever I can help out, I'm gonna help out. You know what I'm saying? It's not that deep. I'm not here to gatekeep anything. Um, Subscribe and like, and I'm out. Have a good day or night or evening or wherever you are.